Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to set up a invite tracking bot in Discord. So first you'd want to search for invite tracker here, just like so, and click on the first link. So after that you'll be taken here. You can go click on start tracking invites button here. As you can see, it's redirected here, and click on the server that you want to add the tracker into. So this is my server, and just click on continue. And if you're all good with this, you could just click on authorize. As you can see, there's a verification. You just go on with it. There you go. The invite tracker has been added. And let's see. So as you can see, the invite tracker is here now. And what you want to do is go back to the website and go log in on the tracker. So just click on authorize there and go to dashboard. Click on dashboard on the top right here and go configure your server. So click on the configure button here, and as you can see, there'll be rows here. And you go to verification right here. So there's a verification level and all these options. And here's the invite tracking. So here's a fake delay. So to define the amount of days old an account has to be before it is not counted as a fake invite. And here under users invites blacklist, any users in this list will not have their invites counted. And here on the last one, invites leaderboard hidden users. Any users in this list will not be displayed in the invites leaderboard. Now what you want to do is go here on join messages and click here whether or not join messages are enabled. So there, and click on save changes. And here on channel, the channel where join messages will be set. So click edit any channel that you want. And for me, let's try for general right here. You could go add an emoji also. And here you could edit this, the message configuration when someone joins. You could also embed, but this is a premium feature. So if you click on test message, so let's see in Discord. So as you can see, there's nothing coming up since this is a private channel. So let's try it here if it works. So there you go. Since this is not a private channel that anyone can join, so as you can see, this is a test message, and so you could always edit that permission with this, or you could edit it within Discord. It's up to you. And now if someone gets an invite and joins with that invitation link, also the tracker will now put a message here. And that's all, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.